So now, yeah, we have here this pseudocode. So let's continue with this. We have created the variables, and I told you we're gonna use scene. So this scene, standard scene, it will give us the input from the user, and we need to save it. So you can see here this mean assigning to the left, so whatever we're gonna print to the console, and here what we read from the console we will give it to the right, to number 1, and let's type these 2 times because there are 2 numbers, right? And here let's put number 2. Then something else, if you want to avoid this, we can use this one using name space std, and then we don't need to write std that double column here, so we can type right away cout cout and cout. But let's try now result equal to num1 multiplied by num2. So now we want to show the output. Let's do it without the standard library, just cout, and what we want to print here, the result, sorry, the result is then we put one more and we put result, and then we put end line. So this one, it means that the line have finished. We can use either this one or this one. So here we're giving first a string, then we're giving our integer result, and then we give it end. So here you can see we have do this code in C#, and now we are doing it in C++. Just some syntax change for the output input. So let's try this one. Let's see what it happens, if it works or doesn't work. Let's see. It's asked for a number. Let's put 12. Let's put 2. It should be 24. So yeah, the result is 24. So this is how you write the code in C++. So just to wrap up, we have the integer definition that we explained before in the classes. You can check the video. Then we have the system or the standard cout, cin for the input output of the console line, this one. So cout, it show you a test or the variables you want to show. Cin will read the value or the data from the console line, and this is how you work. You use the namespace to avoid to use the classes with semicolon to access the methods. So this all, let's continue with the next one. So okay.